Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this colorful eyeshadow tutorial. I hope that you like it. If you want to see how I do it, please stay and watch. Thank you. Okay, I want to start by saying that I already put my foundation on, my concealer on, I seal my concealer, I contour my face, and I did not put I put concealer on my eyes, and I also put an eye primer, but I did not put any powder on my eye because I want the colors to really pop today, so I just decided not to put any powder. Even so, it's easier when you put powder in your eyes to blend your eyeshadows, but today I wanted for the eyeshadows to really pop, so I decided just to leave it without powder. This is the first color that I'm going to use. It's an eyeshadow by e.l.f. and the name is Chestnut. And with a round brush, I'm going to put it right here, and then I'm gonna go in. And to blend it, I'm gonna go up and down, in and out, and sometimes circle. Then I'm gonna use this eyeshadow by NYX, which is called Very Pinky Pearl, with a small brush like this one, and I'm gonna place it right here. But I'm stopping right here, I'm not going all the way in, and I'm gonna put it right here also, but I'm gonna start right here. Right now I'm not gonna worry about blending, I'm just gonna worry about placing the colors where they should be. Then I'm gonna use this other eyeshadow by NYX that is called Nude. Do you like the birds? They're singing today. And I'm gonna place it right here in the middle. And now I'm gonna use this eyeshadow, which by NYX also, that is called Ocean Blue Pearl. And I'm gonna place it right here on the corner. Once I place the eyeshadows, I'm going to start blending them. And the way I like to blend my eyeshadow is to bring one color a little into the other. Okay, and I do that by patting on the edges. If you can see, the blue color and the nude color has integrated into each other. I'm gonna clean my brush and I'm gonna start blending the pink color. If you need, you can pick out a little more of the color and then pat it at the edges where the two colors meet so that you can blend it better. Then I'm gonna use this color and I'm gonna place it right here on the corner with this type of brush, and I'm gonna draw a line right there. I'm going to clean my brush and then I'm gonna go from the outside to the inside to try to blend it. Then I'm going to use this color and I'm gonna place it right here on the crease, and then I'm gonna blend it by going in and out, in and out. And I'm keeping this color right here on the crease. I'm not going up or down, I'm just keeping it right there. And I'm gonna go out with this brown right here, but I'm keeping myself in this line. And when we use this brown, the objective of this brown is to blend everything together, you know, all these three colors on the top together in this area. And since this is a darker brown color compared to the first one that we put here, it will give a little how can I say, more intensity to the eyes. And I'm reapplying some of the color because I think I lost a little bit of them. I'm going to use this color with this brush and I'm going to place it right here. And then I'm gonna blend it in. Then I'm gonna use the pink eyeshadow from NYX and I'm gonna place it right here. And I'm gonna blend. I'm going to place this color right here and then blend it, and right here. I'm gonna go in with my brush one more time without applying any extra color. I just want to make sure that the first round shows. I'm going to do my eyebrow. I'm gonna be using this and a small brush. And I'm gonna put the powder wherever I see I don't have much hair in my eyebrow. Okay, now I'm just gonna clean up because I got some fallout. I'm going to apply my blush. I'm going to apply my highlighter now. I'm going to use this color for my lips. Okay, this is it for today. Thank you very much for being with me. If you like the video, like it, subscribe and comment. And always let me know in the comments what is it that you think. Thank you very much and I will see you next time. Bye.